Finding a trustworthy repair facility with technicians that specialize only in Mercedes Benz is not easy. Finding a repair facility with the technology and skills to work on the latest high-end models of Mercedes Benz is even more difficult. That is why I'm glad to tell you about G&N Motors. G&N Motors has been specializing exclusively in Mercedes for over 35 years. They're a Bosch certified shop with an A+ BBB rating. Their factory-trained technicians are so good that other shops go to G&N Motors when they can't handle a repair in-house. Your warranty is always protected, and they can do things no other independent shop can, but don't just take my word for it. Listen to just one of over 150 rave reviews you can find online.
Hi, my name is Daryl, and I initially went to several dealerships for repairs, but after several misdiagnoses and price gouging, I was referred to G&N Motors. Now I am a dedicated and loyal customer.
Still not sure? Listen to Steve for more details.
Want to know why over 10,000 Mercedes owners trust G&N Motors to repair and service their Mercedes Benz? It's because our factory-trained and certified Mercedes Benz technicians know everything there is to know about Mercedes. We keep up to date with all the latest technology so we can service everything, including the latest high-end models. If you just bought a brand new Mercedes, don't worry, we got you covered, and your warranty will be protected. We can handle anything, including CLA, C-Class, E-Class, S-Class, G-Class, GL, GLA, GLS, GLC, GLE, and all AMG vehicles. It doesn't matter if you have a coupe, SUV, wagon, or hybrid, we will get the job done. You'll pay less than you will at the dealer, but more importantly, your Mercedes will get the very best white glove service and repairs available.
Check them out on Google, Yelp, or anywhere you like. They have an impeccable reputation. They even offer a free diagnostic with their new express service. You can get an A service completed on your Benz in less than an hour and a half. For more information, go to www.gnnmotors.com or call George at 310-441-1956.